So for this video, I'm going to be discussing about the locomotor and non-locomotor movements. So first things first, what is movement? Movement is an act of changing of physical location or position, and instances of moving, and the change in position of an object over time. So now we have the basic idea as to what movement is. So now let's talk about locomotor movement. So what is it exactly? Locomotor movement means movement that travels through space and the act of shifting weight from one location to the other. This basically tells us that locomotor movement does require you to get out of your seat or your current position to be considered as one. So now we know what locomotor movement is. Now let's go through some examples. Examples of locomotor movements are walking, jumping, running, and rolling. All of those activities requires you to move from one point to the other. And that's it for locomotor movement. But what about non-locomotor movements? Non-locomotor movement means movement that a person performs while remaining stationary, and the twisting of the body around its axis. So what this means is that you don't really need to travel through space. You might be fidgeting right now while watching this video, and that is still considered as non-locomotor movements. So now let's see more examples. Examples of non-locomotor movements are stretching, bending, twisting, and swaying, all of which does not require you to move out of your seat to accomplish said activities. So in conclusion, locomotor movement requires an individual to move from one point to the other, and non-locomotor movements can be done while maintaining the same point all throughout the duration of the movement. So that's it for this video.